Stir-fried soya chunks along with that spicy, glossy, luscious sauce. This recipe, my friends, is too delicious. And the best thing is that it is quick and easy to make. Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. First we need to cook the soya granules, for which you need to bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil. Add about a teaspoon of salt. Add the soya chunks to the boiling water and let them get cooked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it off heat and let the soya chunks sit in that hot water for some time till they become comfortable enough to handle. After that, drain the water. If you think the soya chunks are still quite hot to handle, run them under cold tap water. Then squeeze out the water from them. Now coming to the sauce, I need about half a cup of water. To this I added corn flour or cornstarch, depending on which part of the world you are in and how you want to call it. Stir it very well till that corn flour dissolves. Then regular soy sauce or light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce for the deep color. Tomato ketchup. Chili sauce. And finally some sugar to balance the saltiness from those sauces. Mix well and your sauce is ready. Now this is totally optional, but I love adding a dry red chili. I like discarding the seeds, but you do not have to if you can handle that heat. I will be using only the green part of green onions, but do not worry if it is unavailable at your place. You can use coriander leaves instead. And here you can see all my ingredients are standing in order, all set to dive into the pan. For any stir-fry recipe, you need to keep all your ingredients ready like this, as it goes very fast. Let's start cooking now. For stir-fry recipes, you need a very high heat. As soon as the oil turns hot, add the onions. Don't cut the onions too thin, as you still want them to have a little bit of character to them even after cooking. Just stir for a second, then add the chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Again, do not chop the garlic too fine, as they will burn due to the high heat. Then the dry red chili. Next comes green capsicum. I added little salt as I like to season in layers. But do not add too much, as the sauce is already very salty. Then I need black pepper. I have crushed it coarsely like this. Next comes the soya nuggets. Again add little salt to season them. Now what you need to do is with your spoon spread out the soya chunks so that each one of them get that heat from the pan. Leave like this for a minute. After a minute, you can stir them and see that little bit of dark brown color along the edges. That's what will give more flavor. Then add the green onions. If you are using coriander leaves, add at the very end. And finally comes the sauce. Stir it one more time before adding, as the corn flour tends to settle at the bottom of the bowl. Now allow the sauce to come up to a boil. Please do not let the vegetables turn mushy. This whole cooking process took me hardly 5 to 6 minutes from start to finish on high heat. So it's a very quick recipe, and you want all the ingredients in that pan to hold on to their shape. Stir till everything gets well coated with that gorgeous sauce. And then you are done. Serve this with hot steamed rice, and you do not need anything else. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Please stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.